don't think it's about to fill it up all the way, but check getting that out. Don't wait.
I've got some much down, got pigeons. So are you?
How much it fills it up?
Hey, you remember they don't eat that off floor? Huh?
Because cats can be in there and get them, can't they?
Oh. Our chimpanzees.
Abby, what's it? What's in there? Dexter, careful, lad. Good lad. Come on, Dexter. Hey, Dex. Hey, Dex. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Go get Dex. Fetch it. Oh, where's your ball? You know what, you got your ball, don't you? Hey, Boo. Boo Boo's birthday today with mine. 14-year-old today, Boo. Big girl.
It's like it's robbing their nest. What do you think, Downs?
No, it's just chilling.
Is there not a nest there?
No, it always sits there, doesn't it? So I got a picture of it last time. Okay, bye, Maggie. Okay, bye. Never mind the stick, Maggie. Get your ball. Come on. Maggie, where's your ball? Maggie, where's your ball? Get your ball. Never mind the stick. Get the ball. If she leaves that, Mum, pick it up. Can't believe no one's took that. She's interested in steak now, isn't she?
She's doing her bricks and sticks, like remember.
That she never used, but oh yeah, she's always liked a stick, hasn't she?
But we don't like her having them, don't we not?
You don't let her have them anymore, though. I always give her a stick.
I know, because it's dangerous.
Timber this way, bud. And Simba's Ernest, cool dog. Military Ernest Simba. Cool boy. Where's your stick, Maggie?
We're not right long babies because
You need to pick the food up when we get back, Mum, just in case. Simba, come on. Simba, where's the big boy? Maggie, Maggie, is he? What's this? Maggie, stick. Get your stick. Maggie. He's so ignorant. Come here, Maggie. Get a picture of me near that. Alright, Maggie, got you. Oh, dig. Dig, Maggie, get it up, Maggie, you can do it. Go on, you got it there, Maggie. Dig, Maggie. Maggie, dig. Dig, Simba, dig it. But yeah, it's proper stuck in there, that.
Oh, just missed it. Look, Nance, like, with a head turn.
Simba, this way, buddy. Not drop key or anything there, have I? No. Come on, you guys. Timber, don't go too far here though, because we can't see what's coming. Too far. He's a good boy. Good boy, Timber. Come here. Let's see your harness, Timber. Let's see what it actually fits him now, look. His harness fits him. It was way too big last time. The military harness. Here's Zimba, let's have a look. Sit down. Here's him. Zimba, yeah, sit. Zimba. Oh, Zimba. Come here. He's going down now, isn't it? Come here, Zimba. Zimba. What's here? Hey, Maggie.
Make him stay.
He's being ignorant. He's so excited he's on a walk.
Maggie, Maggie. I forgot that.
Oh no, it's not its baby, is it? Just little birds, like.